Hello everyone, my name is Chef Amos and I share food and lifestyle videos. If this is your first time, you are welcome to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Also don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms at Chef Amos. Thank you. So in today's video, we're making stir-fry spaghetti. It's quite easy and you can make this in minutes, or when you're trying to fix an emergency meal for guests or your family or siblings, husband. Let's dive into it. We're first gonna prep our protein. I've added vegetable oil in a frying pan and I'll be adding some shredded chicken. I use chicken breast in this video, so we're just gonna fry it in the oil until it's cooked. This is after some minutes into frying. The chicken breast gets cooked easily, so you don't need to worry that your chicken is not cooked or something like that. There I add garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, seasoning, and then I'm gonna add white pepper. I'll give this a good mix and fry it further for another 3 minutes and it's done. And you can use beef for this. You mustn't use chicken. If you have beef, you can use beef too. So this is after some minutes and it's done. So we're gonna prep our veggies. To get started, I've added vegetable oil into my pan, some onions, just saute the onions, and then add your carrot, and then give it a good mix. The reason why we fry our carrot first is because the others get cooked easily, so we want to balance everything together. You fry your carrots for 30 seconds because I hate when my veggies are overcooked, and then I'll add my green beans and sweet corn. I'll fry for another 20 minutes here, or 20 seconds. And I'll add in salt, chili pepper or yaji. I love using yaji in my food. It add this spark or taste to my food. And then I'm adding some chopped green and red bell peppers. If you have the yellow one, you can use it also. The reason why I've added my green peppers last is because they cooked easily, very very fast, and I don't want them to be overcooked, because once it's overcooked, the colors reduce, it becomes too dull, and what have you. So after frying, you remove it from fire, and then it's time to cook our spaghetti. In the pot, I've added water, and I will allow this to boil. Add some salt and vegetable oil so that the spaghetti will not clump together, and then I'm adding the spaghetti here. You should not break your spaghetti, please. Just add it and occasionally just push it down until it started to be soft. I will allow this to cook, not fully cooked, but I'll allow this to cook for 80% done, as you can see in the video, and it's done. So I will strain this and run cold water on it to avoid further cooking, and allow it to drain. So back to a frying pan, add some butter, allow your butter to melt. Just like I'm doing in the video. Add some onions. I love using onions in my food. If you don't like onions, so you can use what you want to use. And if you notice, I love using garlic powder instead of the fresh one. The powdered one is not as strong as the fresh one, so that people that don't like garlic can eat your meals without having any problem digesting or what have you. So I've added my spaghetti. I'm using the slim spaghetti for this recipe. You can use the normal standard one. And then I'm gonna fry this for some few seconds, or let me say a minute. Here I have added salt, oregano, and then some more chili pepper, which is my yaji, and then the last but not the least, some ginger powder. So I'm gonna give this a good mix. You'll notice I didn't add seasoning in this. You will see what I will be adding next. I've added my chicken, fried chicken, and then I'm adding dark soy sauce. I'm not really a fan of soy sauce, but for the sake of this video, and this is how it should be, but you can totally use your seasoning instead of soy sauce. But using soy sauce gives the dish this amazing brown color. So you should definitely try using soy sauce. You might like it. So give this a good mix. You use soy sauce in place of your seasoning, Maggi, no, Mr. Chef, or what have you. Or you can use both if you like. So here I'm adding my fried vegetables, and I've added more onions and of course spring onions to garnish. Here I'm having difficulties stirring the spaghetti, because I don't want to like knock out my my video setup, so I had to like do this, mix it off camera. So this is it after stirring everything and mixing everything all together. I fried it for like 20 seconds more, and here you have it. That's the final product. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow me on my other social media platforms. Thank you very much.